All right, cool. So this is actually going to be the very first pack that we're opening. We don't really collect the cards. Hey, we're straight Pokemon gamer. So we play all of the mainline games, and now we've recently been playing Pokemon Legends. Um, if you caught the stream before, my girlfriend went out and she entered a raffle and ended up winning just some booster packs here. So this is the first one we're going to take a look at opening. So Scarlet Violet Journey Together. And then I have three other booster packs that came loose. And then we're going to open up also. I'm going to take a little look at a Meltang EX deck. Okay, we're going to take a look at unboxing that. And then we're also going to unbox Alatias EX box. Okay. So, stick with it. Here we go. Actually, let's. Here we go. So, oh my gosh. Brolic pack. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's throw this out. All right. Let's see what we got here. You can tell I've never opened a pack. Got these backwards. Okay. Mungus. Low tag. That's hot right now in the meta. Well, meta for the game, not the cards. Excuse me. And gold. Nice. Salamence. Ooh, Magmortar. I love Magmortar. Magma Surge. And a basic Dark Energy here. Very nice. Let's put these together. That's our first pack. So we're going to go ahead and look through these real quick. Wow, I like the Magmortar. And the Salamence. Very sick. Let's look at that Magmortar one more time. Sick card. Look at the Salamence. Sick, sick. Okay, let's take a look at the next pack here. What's the matter, Albie? I think my cat's spitting up a hairball. You okay, bud? Next pack. Go. Jeez, why are you giving me so much hard time? Here we go. Sandtrit. Kufon. Aqua Slash. Scovet. Cinchino. Maractus. Toad School. Another Minchino. Oh, Minchino. Cormorant. Ooh, Reshiram. Nice. And a basic energy. So, let's take a ahead and look at these. Let's take a closer look. Reshiram's pretty sick. Pack number 3. We have the Tuesdacian packs here. Scarlet Violet Journey Together. Let's see if we can get this open in one. Jesus. Oh my gosh. There we go. What do we have? Preset. Pupita. Nice. A Alolan Geodude. Knuckle Punch. Tiny Charge. I like the card. I like how it looks. Very sick. Albino. The most regular looking Pokemon I've ever seen in my life. Caparaja. Look at that. Right on the Shank switch. Ends Castle. Pokemon and playbook using your opponent have no retreat cost. Look. Oinkolone. Black Belt's train. During this turn, attacks used by your Pokemon do 40 more damage for your opponent's active Pokemon. Black Scouting. Journal. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Again, at least I think it's nothing crazy. If you guys see something that's worth taking note, let me know. You guys know. Okay, this is gonna be the last Journey Together set, and then we're gonna jump into the Megalatias little box here. Professor's Research. Discard your hand, draw 7 cards. Jeez. Lily's Cutie Fly. Petilil. Minchino. Iris is fighting Spirit. You can use this card only with this card of other card. Artillery. Octo Beatdown. Flip a coin until you get tails. This attack does 90 damage for each heads. That's crazy. Flip a coin until you get tails? Bro, what? Amazing. Did I just get 2 of the same card back to back? That's kind of rough. Beauty Loco. Did I get the whole evolution line here? Meowscarada. Basic energy. Meowscarada. Alrighty then. So this is what we got here. Mega's Latias box, 4 booster packs, the promo card, and I have a big larger Latias. So let's take a look at that. Let's start with the promo card. I mean, not the promo card. What do you call these? The huge cards. Pretty cool. It's design. It's 3D. It's pretty cool. And then this is the actual card, the actual promo card here. The card is sick. It's pretty sick. It's pretty dope. I like this. I like this. What type of binders do you guys have for your cards? I heard it's good not to get the one with the rings because it puts the little dent in your pack. Okay, so these are the packs we're gonna be opening now. These are the Mega Evolution packs that came in the Mega Latias box. So you got Mega Lucario in the front here. Let's go ahead and pop these open. Louise. Yo, you need some scissors or something? Why can't I open these? I got the grip of a 4-year-old. Jeez. There has to be a better... Oh. Did I just pull these? Is that it? Really? And what is this? This is something. I don't know what we're doing. What is this? To redeem it. Expand your online card collection. I don't understand what this is, guys. Let me know what this is in the chat, right? Alright, here we go. Chikorita! Chiku! Mantine. Milk Tank. Oh, I was playing the online game, the card game. And I have a whole bunch of Milk Tanks online. It's pretty funny. Scorch, very nice. Sick card. Look at that. Tangrowth. Pumped Up Whip. 120 plus damage. Plus what? If this Pokemon has at least 2 extra energy things attached to it. That's 140 more. Bro, these cards are nuts. Now you can grab the Dingo. Jesus. Crawdon, my dude. Crawdon is a beast. I love Crawdon. Oh, Gumshoes. Sick. Look at this card. Evidence gathering. That's sick. It looks like a comic book panel. Look at that. That's dope. Wow, Cloitzer. Sick card. Look at that. That's dope. Let's take a closer look at these. Let's take a closer look at these. Particularly, you have the Cloitzer here. Let's check this out. Wow, look at that image, guys. That's a sick looking card. Wow. Fall back to reload. Once during your turn, when this Pokemon moves from the active spot to your bench, you may use this ability. Attach up to 2 basic water energy cards from your hand to this Pokemon. Wow. And then the Gumshoes. Man, I can't get over how good this card looks. Check this out. It looks like a comic book panel. Look at it. Spine on the rat attack. Once during your turn, you may use this ability to switch a card from your hand with the top card on your deck. Sick, sick. Okay. What's next? We have another Mega Evolution pack. So we got Kangaskhan in the front. Okay, let's see if I'm not completely... Do I just pull this? Is that what I did last time? Yeah, okay. Here we go. Let's take this card out. Sabo. Toxic Croak, Reckless Charge. This Pokemon does 20 damage to itself. 1 energy. Wow, that's not bad actually. Again, I don't know. I'm in the basics of Pokemon cards, so when I say I'm playing the game, I probably am not really good at it. We got Stuffle. Gimme Ghoul. Nice. We have Goldingo and Gimme Ghoul now. That means I can evolve it, right? Let's do it a battle. Switch out your opponent's active Pokemon to the bench. Wow. Okay. That's actually sick. That's actually sick, right? Because if they have something that's really dominant out on the field, you can go ahead and just push that back. That's dope. Once during your turn, when you play a Pokemon from your hand to evolve one of your Pokemon, you may use this ability, search your deck for a Shedinja, put it in your bench, and shuffle your deck. Marshadow? We got Marshadow, Shadowy Sidekick. If your opponent's Pokemon is knocked out by damage from this attack during your opponent's next turn, prevent all damage from an effect. Sorry guys, I'm trying Execute. Search your deck for a basic leaf energy card and attach it to this Pokemon shuffle your deck. I like the glossiness. You see that? That's dope. Ooh, another one. Sandshrew. Look how glossy that is. That's sick. Look at that picture too. Nah. Xerneas? Guys, look. Sick picture. Geogate. Search your deck for 3 basic psychic Pokemon and put them into your bench and shuffle your deck. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at the standouts really quick. We got Xerneas. Come on. There we go. Guys, what does it mean? You see that black star on the bottom? So they have different... I wonder what they mean. Put these off to the side. Okay, we got 2 boosters left. This is what we have. Destined Rivals. The Ho-Oh and Garchomp. Okay. Let's go Garchomp first. Okay, we're gonna set this off to the side. Oh, one of my favorite Pokemon of all time. Well, Nidoking, but this guy right here, oh, whenever I see him in the games, I just have to catch him. Nidoran. Beast. Houndour. Oh, this is all Team Rocket. Pokes? What are we doing here? Beldum. Steve's Beldum. Chingling. Team Rocket has a Chingling? Since when? Magnetic. Flash Impact. This attack also does 40 damage to one of your bench Pokemon. Misty Side. Team Rocket's Energy. A Nose Pass. Clam Pearl. Shell Press. Team Less Damage. Ooh, look at this. Arden's Marble Stiff. Take this energy out the way. Vigorous Tackle. Boss Headbutt. Look at that. Sick pig. Wow. Sick. Okay, we're down to our last pack. Destined Rivals. Ho-Oh. Press, we pull. Only took me 8 packs to learn how to open these, right? They are here. Ekans. So is Destined Rivals like a Team Rockets pack? Is that what I'm getting at? 'Cause double kick, flip 2 coins, and attack does 40 damage for each heads. Phoebus. Undulate. Flip a coin of cards during your opponent's next turn to get all damage from this Pokemon. Yeah, because it has so little energy. Dottler. Huntail. Marnie Scrafty. Wild Tackle. 160 is kind of a beast. Blip Bug. Look at one of your opponent's face down prize cards. Flip 2 coins to attack his enemy from chest. Sneasel, look at that. Strike to Sleeper. This attack is drained into one of your opponent's bench Pokemon into the combat. Nice. Alright, so that was it. Alright, cool. So that was a look at all 8 booster packs there that we opened. We do have one more this deck, but I'm pretty sure it's just the cards that are here. So I'll probably unlock this another time, more when I'm looking into playing the actual game. Cool. Alright, so we're all done for now. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.